Now, dear student, as I am discussing about the database, see here that why do you need the database? First and foremost, to manage a large chunks of data. That means huge amount of data you need to manage. So, in suppose a school records or a college records or the census records. So there, what you see that they are the income tax records or the sales record. So there you see that they are managing a huge amount of data. So when they are managing a huge amount of data, thousands and thousands of the data, those the thousands and thousands of the data, what you find it that there will be a lot of problems when you are going to manage those data. Therefore, managing those data in a particular way, in a particular system, what you can see it that you can use a huge large database and you can manage that database. That means it help you to manage the huge amount of huge chunks of a large chunks of data. Next, what accuracy? Accuracy means perfectness. Through your validations of the rules in the database, what you find is that those the data that accurately you can maintain it, you can maintain the accuracy of the particular thing. Next, what next is easy is to update data. That means if the thing is flexible, you can easily make the updates, you can easily make the different accounts and different records. You can make it convenience for you, you can make it multiple people can edit and multiple people can work with a same time in that particular database. Like if you go to the shopping mall, you can see it, the practical thing. If you go to the reservation counter, you can see that many people are giving you the reservations from the different counters. Or if you are going to the shopping malls, different counter they are accessing the suppose same pattern of or same type of things. Okay, so this is what they are accessing a huge amount of data in a very smooth way. Security of the data. Security of the data means with a database you must have a security that should be protected, that should have a privilege, that should be restricted. Okay, so those the things must be there. Next, what you said, data integrity. So database we can access the accuracy. Integrity means uniqueness. So when you need to build with a particular data, when you are checking the data, when you are controlling the data, what you need, you you need to see that they must have an integrity. Integrity should be there. Okay, so integrity must be there. What is an integrity? The uniqueness should be there. Suppose a same type of thing. Suppose you are purchasing the cabbage. So those the cabbage you see all are the cabbage, but they has a different type of number in each of it. Okay, so as they has a different type of number means it has got an integrity on it. Uniquely it can be defined that yes, this particular cabbage is a rotten one, this is a good one. Okay, so this is how you can do with the data integrated system. There is a data integrated system. That is why you need, or we all need, the database, and we all need to execute with the database. One more thing that I'm going to say to you, that is DBMS. What is the full form of DBMS? Database Management System. Now, as your chapter consists of the database management system, database management system refers to the software that is responsible for storing, maintaining, and utilizing the database in an efficient way. Okay. Number two, a database along with the DBMS software is called a database system. Some example of the DBMS software is Oracle 8 or a different series of Oracle, Oracle 8i, different part of the Oracles are there. MS SQL Server, this I will show to you. Okay. MS Access, this also I will show to you because these two are in your syllabus. Majorly MS Access is in your syllabus. Based on MS Access, MS SQL is also there. So I will show you these two. Paradox is there. Paradox is also one type of DBMS software. DB2, the database management tool software is there, and MySQL. I'll show you this MySQL one. Okay, so MySQL is an open source software and it is a free DBMS. Here, it is an open source software and it is a free DBMS. So